life could be a dream if I could take you.
What's up, guys? Today I'm showcasing this absolute monster of a unit. Well, let's get into it. Alright. Here we go. Let's see. Also, I used miracle shards on him to get him to level 65. Which I'm pretty sure it's like the highest possible level in the game. Don't quote me on that. Okay. Let's see. That's kind of cool. Alright, we can't let him get... Ooh, full AoE already. And hill. Smashing this dude. Dang it. Oh yeah, upgrade. Yo, what is this thing? It's like some bird, flesh monster looking dude. Melee? Okay, one-shotted. 3 melee. Wait. Oh, he just gone. He is that thing. Okay. I thought he like summoned that thing. No. Is that thing. Let's start with a cool 20 mil. 75% crit. So like, wait. What? Oh, that's 2 mil, that's why. Okay. I was like, wait. What? There we go. Oh. 100 mil? Doing 10 million damage. This dude's better than Luffy. Hang on, we can't let them get by. Slow it down. Slow it down to 1x. Come on. There we go. Don't let it get by. You guys can do it. I believe.
Then I saw his damage.
Now I'm a believer.
Come on. Come on. Throw a temper tantrum on him. Ah! Die! 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 Yes! Oh! They actually did it. With some selling and moving, they actually handled 100 million HP. Alright, well, see you guys. This is definitely the most busted unit have showcased.